Hi, I'm Mina from Blue White, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how to unbox the 5 Series Peristaltic metering pump. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to unbox your 5 Series Peristaltic metering pump and review items that will ship with the pump. The pump will ship in a crate with a quick start guide fixed to the front of the pallet. Scan the QR code to review all of the 5 Series Peristaltic metering pump tutorials, including this video. But first, it's essential to practice safety. Always wear protective glasses. Some other items we recommend are a Phillips screwdriver or a power drill. To unbox your 5 Series Peristaltic metering pump, begin by maneuvering the pallet near the installation site. Remove the top panel from the crate by removing the 4 screws. Ask a friend for help when lifting the panel. Remove the front panel from the crate by removing the 4 screws. To assist in removing the pump, set the front panel down as a ramp. The crate will include the 5 Series pump with a pre-installed tube, a certificate of conformance, a spare tube, and a parts kit. The parts kit will include 2 replacement hardware, 2 Allen wrenches, and a power cord. Unscrew the 4 screws to the pump's floor mounting brackets. Lift the back of the pump and gently roll the pump out of the back crate. Now your pump is ready for installation. And that's how to unbox the 5 Series Peristaltic metering pump. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For more information, please visit blue-white.com.